Welcome back to Chez La Vie. Well, this week is all about the boat parade. I was so very privileged and lucky I got to ride on Mr. Bobb. She is a 1980 60-foot Hatteras Sportfish, and this is the 39th year that they have done this parade and the third generation now. It started with Mark's dad, and now his son helps carry on this tradition. So stick around. Today is an inside look at what it's like to be in the boat parade. So I am on Mr. Bobb, and we're about to go out for the boat parade. The boat is all decked out, totally. I mean, you guys are gonna die. I'll post a picture of it. I'll try to take some video while we're out and about, and hope you guys enjoy. We're taking off, headed for the parade. Yay! The wind got my windscreen.
That's stupid. And he hates the water. So, yeah. So cute.
So once you hit the 7th Avenue Bridge, it is closed to all boat traffic except for participants in the parade. And I've seen a number as high as 100, so I think there's over 100 boats entered in the festivities today. So this is the Grand Marshal boat, and Jack Wagner will be emceeing the event, and I'll get a big laugh out of him later. So it's been kind of touch and go with the weather the last 24 hours. We had some wind come in, and it's been raining off and on. So it'll be really interesting to see how many boats actually show up for the parade. We'll find that out later as they do the roll call to see who is here and ready to go. For now, we're going to pull into our spot and hunker down and wait until it is time to start. As we come into our spot, we pass Donna and Carl with their Tikis, which are just the most adorable things. You can charter these. I'll put the link down in the bottom. Out of all the Tikis on the river, I think theirs are the cutest, and I will pop over and see them here in a little bit and say hello. So for now, we're going to park, and once we get parked, the guys will be doing some finishing touches on the lights, getting everything turned on, make sure all the electricity is working. The preparations for the parade start well in advance, and there are between 50 to 75,000 lights on this boat, and it's a pretty complicated process to get them all on. They take the outriggers off the boat, get all the other lights and decorations on, and then they put the outriggers back on, light them up, and then stand them back up into place. And then they have to make room for the DJ, so the tender has to come off the front, and a lot of stuff has to be moved around. We've got about 40 to 50 people riding on the boat tonight. Part of the contest for the winning boat is not just how well it's decorated, but how happy and excited the people are that are on the boat. So when we go past the judges, we have to hoot and holler. And you'll hear me give my Mexican cat call a few times. Yes, that is me. I am from Texas, so, you know, I got a little yee-haw in me. Now that we're parked, the guys are going to start fine-tuning some of the lights, testing that everything is working, make sure the DJ has power. And while that is all going on, I'm going to go down and visit my friends Carl and Donna with their cute little Tikis.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
So this is my first time being on their tiki boats. I've seen them go up and down the river half a dozen times, and they are as adorable inside as they are outside. What a great way to spend an afternoon having drinks with your friends, putzing up and down the river on your tiki. All too soon it was time to head back to Mr. Bobb, sadly through the drizzle because it started raining again. And we really didn't have much left to do. The guys have the lights all going, the DJ's going. We just gotta sit and wait for everybody else and then wait for the sun to go down.
We're getting ready to take off and start the parade. I'm pretty excited. All the lights are on. Not too much longer. The sun is going down. Everybody's in position. So very soon we'll be taking off, and I can't wait.
Ready to go to 44. 44 Thank you. 45. Ready to go to 45. 45 is not your lucky spot. Okay, thank you. 46. 46. Ready to go to 46. Ready to go 47. I got the other. 47 is. Thank you. 48. Ready to go 48.
The weirdest thing is Mobile Mike has that thing inflated outside his house year round. You never know this parade. Happy Winterfest Parade! Hi everybody! We can't hear you on the shore. You gotta get louder than that. Somebody scream out there! That's it. We need more boat horn. More boat horn.
Give us some horn!
For every horn we hear, we take a shot. Oh, we're drunk.
And Andrew and the crew are pulling lines, and now he's giving us the all clear that we are free from the dock, and woohoo, it is our turn to go. Let's get this party started. So the boats are turning around, which means we finally get to see the parade, at least what's left of it. A lot of the boats cut out at the ICW. was the last boat, and now it is time to make the mad dash back up the ICW and the New River to the dock, which it's not much of a mad dash. It's going to take us over an hour. And honestly, the captain that was running the boat tonight really did a fantastic job. The wind was so crazy. I don't know if you noticed that throughout the entire evening. There was not a flag drooping anywhere in these videos. Very, very windy. The rain did go away, so it turned out to be a great night. And obviously, we had a lot of fun. Thank you, Mark and Rita and Peggy, for allowing me to join you guys and your lovely family. I really enjoyed it. Hanging out with you guys this last year has been amazing, and I will really miss you when I head off to Key West. If you guys have been enjoying the videos, please like and subscribe and share them with your friends. I need lots and lots and lots and lots of subscribers to keep this going, and I would really like to keep this going, but that's completely up to you guys. If you know watchy, I know makey. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one.